How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Today I am going to be doing some yard work around the house. I got a couple things to do. The first thing is I have to clean up all this sand from an old swimming pool we used to have here. Guys, the first year we had a pool, we just put it on the stone, and let me tell you, that was not the most pleasant thing. You were getting rocks in your feet every time. Oh, it was not good. So the second year we decided to put sand down, and then that was last year, and this year we're just deciding to not put a pool up. It's a lot to do, a lot of upkeep also. So I got to remove this sand. I'm going to be using the Massey Ferguson tractor, and then later in the video I will be doing some edging and weeding, as well as possible mulching, but I don't think so. I don't know if we have enough mulch to do this. I gotta tune up that bed over there. It's not looking the best. Needs some edging around the sides, and that needs to be weeded, as you could tell. I will weed down there also by the back door, and yeah, probably some other minor things here and there. But without further ado, I'm gonna go get the tractor and get started. Alright, so I got the Massey 1540 over here. Just got the regular bucket on it. And then on the back we got the power rake, but we're not going to be needing that today. To start, I'm just going to use a regular digging shovel. And then probably, I don't know. I was going to try to get all this little stone out, probably 3/4 inch, but it's not. It's too small. The sand is all mixed in with it. So instead, I think I'm just gonna scoop it all up as much as I can and dump it over the bank. Alright guys, we got a little change of plans. So I was just using the rake and shovel to get this much sand into the bucket. I got quite a bit done, almost halfway, honestly. But then my dad was telling me, I went and ate breakfast, and then my dad was telling me, he's like, why don't you just use one of the excavators, because it'll be a lot faster. And also the rocks by the fire pit need to be replaced. So I was thinking I'm gonna use either the Takeuchi or Kubota to scoop up the rest of the sand. It'll make quick work, and then I can use the Kubota has a working thumb. The Takeuchi doesn't right now. And probably pick out a couple of these rocks to go around the fire pit, because eventually all this stone has to get moved, and eventually at the very end of this, there should be a bluestone patio all throughout here. So that's the future plans, but that probably won't happen for a while. So first things first, I'm gonna grab the Takeuchi and probably just start using that to scoop up the rest of the sand. Alright, took a little bit, probably 2 minutes to get it started, but it's got a sweet spot in the starter, and sometimes it just doesn't want to start, but she's a good girl. It's got over 5,000 hours, almost 6,000 hours on it, so she's pretty old, but still works. So I'm gonna be using this, the 24-inch digging bucket. I know it's not ideal for cleanups, but it's what I got on here now, and this is what we're gonna use. So guys, I was able to get most of the sand up and out of here with the Takeuchi. Just scooping it and putting it right into the tractor bucket. It worked pretty good. The sand is different depths in different areas according to how high the stone was. As you can see, I kind of started to get into some fabric, which is not good, but I got most of the sand out, and that's what matters. Anyways, this stone is gonna come up, so that fabric is really not that big of a deal. I'm just gonna clean this up with the rake and do my best to get as much sand out of here as possible. It's all mixed in, got rock and sand in there, so it's not the best case scenario, but gotta make do with what I have. So let's try to get this done. Alright, so Aiden and I just finished up shoveling up the majority of the sand. It's all mixed, it's not that easy to get it all. And then you get down so far and then you start reaching the fabric, so we kind of just got to get what we can here. That's pretty much it. I hauled probably 5 buckets of sand out of here. It was quite a bit. Now we're just gonna rake it off, make it nice and smooth again, and then that'll be it. And then I gotta go do some edging and weeding. So let's keep going. Alright guys, that is gonna do it. I got as much sand out of here as possible. It's still mixed in with the 3/4 inch stone, but it looks a lot better than it did. Now we just gotta remove the rest of the stone that we used to level it up. That's what all this rock is here for, kind of retain it. And then this should hopefully turn into a nice bluestone patio. That would be sweet. And then over here, I edged and weeded that bed. It turned out great. Looks a lot better than it did. And now I just have to mulch it. And then down by the back door, I weeded, and that looks much better now. Guys, thanks for watching Active with Andrew on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. It really helps. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.